Inductive effect on basicity. Yes, some of the organic compounds are also having ability to behave as bases. Hence, the basicity of the components which are of organic in nature and how it is getting affected by inductive effect is our present part of discussion. Whereas organic components nature is not the extreme nature. Some of the organic components are acting as acids, but they are relatively weak acids compared to the available inorganic mineral acids. Similarly, some of the organic components are acting as bases. That particular basic nature is also very less compared to that of regular basic nature of mineral related, that is inorganic bases like first A group bases, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. And those are acting as Arrhenius bases, but the organic components related bases are not the Arrhenius bases. They can accept the proton, that is these are acting as Bronsted bases, and they can having ability to donate the lone pair of electron present on them. Hence they can also behave as Lewis bases. Thus some of the organic components are having ability to behave as weak organic bases, and how the basic nature of organic components is getting influenced by the substituents present on the active site with their inductive effect is the discussion. Some of the organic components are acting as bases either by accepting proton or by donating lone pair of electrons, but the strength of basic character is less. Hence, the organic components are generally considered as weak bases. The ability of the component to accept the proton H plus or the ability of the component to donate the lone pair of electrons is reference for the basic nature and is valid in case of organic compounds, especially of amine related compounds, whereas amines are those in which nitrogen is connected with the valencies having one lone pair. Now how amine is acting as a base, let us have a discussion. Then we will go for the factors. Which factors makes an amine as a strong base relatively and as a weak base. Then we will go for the examples related to the inductive effect, the effect of induction of the constituent substitutions present on the constituents. The two basic reasons that will decides the relative strength of the amines and basic nature as, yes, the active atom nitrogen present in the amine should associated with the highest electron density. And the second factor is to donate the lone pair of electron density, some positive species should come nearer to that of the nitrogen, and that commencement becomes easy when nitrogen is associated with less steric hindrance. If these groups are of smaller in size, then the acceptor group will comes nearer to that of the nitrogen. As a result, its basic nature is comes into existence. Suppose if this is the nitrogen, whereas my proton which is having vacant orbital if comes, then only the coordinate covalent bond establishment is possible by donation of lone pair, and it is said to be what? Base. Yes. To become base, first thing is it should associated with highest electron density, that is the groups connected with the nitrogen should give up their electron density. We are discussing here inductive effect. If these are positive inductive effect groups, then what they will do? They will push the electron density of the sigma bond connected with the nitrogen towards the nitrogen. As a result, nitrogen is to be associated with highest electron density, case 1. Followed by case number 2, it should covered with or connected with less size containing groups. As a result, the acceptor, the cationic species which is having less electron density, comes nearer to that of the active donor atom. As a result, donation becomes fruitful and it is counted as a base when donation occurs. Thus the condition number 1 is high electron density should be present, and high electron density should enhanced by connectivities. Secondly, the connectivity should not obstruct the incoming acceptor of the electron density. They should provide some space for the groups to reach towards the active donor atom. If it is having high electron density, if it is having less steric hindrance, then the coordinate covalent bond connectivity occurs between the active donor atom, that is nitrogen present in the amine as well as the acceptor. Then only this particular amines, nitrogen containing substances, are considered as bases. Thus, as a conclusory part, as positive inductive effect groups increases, sigma bond density is shifted towards the nitrogen atom having lone pair, more deposition will occur. The more deposition, more ability to donate, hence basicity increases. The second cause is, as the steric hindrance decreases, then the approachment of electron acceptor becomes very easy to the central donor atom, that is nitrogen, hence also basicity increases. The above two factors combination results the net basicity associated with the nitrogen containing organic compounds, especially amines present in the organic literature. Yes, here I am having three compounds. One is methylamine, second one is just ammonia, and third one is ethylamine. Whereas nitrogen is the active atom here, that is active donor atom. Whereas here ammonia is the reference. In this here what happens? NH2 followed by H, I can say. This is H. This is H here. In the place of H in the first case I am having methyl group. In the third case I am having ethyl group. Whereas hydrogen doesn't offer any kind of inductiveness. Whereas methyl is positive inductive effect. So therefore it will donate the electron density towards the nitrogen, and ethyl is also positive inductive effect group. It also pushes the electron density of the carbon and the nitrogen towards the nitrogen. And moreover here, as being A and B are having positive inductive effect compared to A and C, B is having less basic nature. In case of A and C also, ethyl group is more positive inductive effect in nature compared to the methyl group, because with the same linear chain, as the number of carbon atoms increases, the ability to donate the sigma bond permanent partial shifting of the sigma bond electron density increases, that is positive inductive effectiveness increases, the more positive inductive effectiveness. As a result here what happens, that C is having higher basic nature compared to A, and these two are having higher basic nature compared to B. Yes, here it is not having any kind of positive inductive affecting groups, these are having positive inductive affecting group. And this component C, that is ethyl group, is more positive inductive effect in nature compared to methyl, hence the basicity order, otherwise the basic nature order is C is greater than A is greater than B. Thus, as the positive inductive effect group's strength increases, positive inductive effect to nature increases, as a result the accommodation, deposition of electron density over the active atom, nitrogen atom, donor atom increases. As a result, the corresponding basic strength increases. Yes, in this case, this NH2 group is connected to tertiary butyl group, and here it is connected to trimethyl silyl group. The sizes and all the features are same. Instead of here carbon, here the carbon next element silicon is present. Whereas silicon is less electronegative compared to the carbon, though carbon and silicon both are less electronegative compared to the nitrogen. If I look at the electronegativities, nitrogen is having more electronegativity compared to carbon, carbon is having less electronegativity, carbon is having more electronegativity compared to silicon. This is the order. Whereas due to this electronegativity differences, the sigma bond electron density shifted in favor towards the nitrogen in case of C and NH2 bond, whereas that particular favorism, otherwise that particular shifting of sigma bond electron density is more in case of the second case. So therefore here more deposition is there, here lesser deposition is there, here more electron density deposition relatively, and whereas there deposition is there but the deposition is less. Hence what happens is basic nature of B is greater than A. That is, as electronegativity of nitrogen connected atom decreases, nitrogen connected atom decreases. Yes, nitrogen connected atom is here carbon. Compared to carbon, silicon is having less electronegativity. Its electronegativity is decreasing compared to carbon. Decreases. Then what happens? Its basic nature increases. Its basic nature increases. Yes. In example A and B, there is a difference with respect to the molecules. If you look at, there is extra one CH2 group is present in example B. Whereas chlorine is minus inductive effect group. So therefore here it will withdraws the electron density from the carbon in such a way that it withdraws the electron density. As a result, if chlorine is active, then the dispersion of electron density is possible from the nitrogen. As a result, nitrogen related electron density decreases, basic nature decreases. That decrement is more in case of A compared to B, because in A that minus withdrawing groups are very close compared to the case B. So therefore here the basic nature order is B is greater than A. That is, as distance of minus IE group increases, minus IE groups increases. Where from it has to increases? Increases from active atom nitrogen. Yes, from active atom. What is that active atom? Active atom is nitrogen present in the amines. Then what happens? Here basicity and all. And what will happen to the basicity? Distance increases, basicity increases. Yes, as the distance of minus inductive effect groups increases from the active atom, that is nitrogen, basicity of that compound increases. See, in this case, here carbon is of sp3 hybridization, carbon is of sp2 hybridization, carbon is of sp hybridization. As being its hybridization is sp3, sp2, sp, as s character increases, the percentage of s character increases, electronegativity increases. As relative electronegativity increases, then the net amount of donation decreases. So therefore, the accommodation of highest electron density over the nitrogen decreases. So here the basicity order is A is greater than B is greater than C. Thus, as relative electronegativity differences increases, then the basicity decreases. As relative electronegativity differences, relative electronegativity differences decreases, basicity decreases. What will happen to the basicity? Decreases. Here, more electronegativity differences are there between the sp3 carbon as well as the nitrogen. sp carbon and nitrogen is having less electronegativity differences. As a result, here the net donation of electron density is little. So as a result, this electron accommodation deposition will be little. More deposited, higher will be the basic nature, less deposited over the nitrogen. So therefore lesser will be the basic nature. Thus, as relative electronegativity differences decreases, here a little difference is there, corresponding basic nature is also little. Yes, in this case I am having amine, imine followed by the cyanide compound, whereas structure and all features are same. Single bond is there, double bond is there, triple bond is there. Nitrogen is having sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization as well as sp hybridization. sp implies it is more electronegative, relatively more electronegative nitrogen. As electronegativity of nitrogen increases, its ability to donate the lone pair of electron density decreases. So therefore basic nature order is A is greater than B, B is greater than C. As electronegativity of nitrogen atom increases, its basic nature decreases. Yes, in this case aniline, similarly diphenylamine and triphenylamines are taken. Nitrogen is having lone pair here. It is involved in resonance like this. As a result, what happens here? Lone pair electron density is not present over the nitrogen for maximum time, and here 3 structures are possible along with the due to its resonance with respect to the single structure of the benzene ring. Now here another 6 structures, another 9 structures are possible. So the availability of electron density on these 4 structures, if I calculate 1/4 the time, whereas this is 1/7 the time, 1/4 of time only we can expect averagely, and here 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 structures, 1/7, 1/10 the time. Suppose 10 hours if electron density is expected, but here it is present only 1 hour. Like this, the net electron density availability over the nitrogen decreases due to resonance. So therefore here relatively A is more basic compared to B, B is more basic compared to C. That is, as number of resonance structures increases with respect to the connected nitrogen having lone pair, as a result the electron density availability on the nitrogen decreases, thus basic nature, otherwise the basic strength decreases. The first case nitrogen is of sp3 hybridization, second case nitrogen is of sp2 hybridization, hence the basic nature is A is greater than B because it is more electronegative, it is not having such kind of more relative strength for its lone pair donation compared to the case number 1, hence A is more basic compared to B. In these two structures, in case number 1, it involves in resonance followed by basicity is less. Second case also involves in resonance, but here due to that resonance, oxygen is attaining 1 unit of negative charge. The more relative electronegative atom, relatively more electronegative atom is oxygen. If oxygen is holding of negative charge, then that becomes the most stable. If that is most stable, at equilibrium its population is major. If its population is major, then what happens? It is present at equilibrium in such a way that CO minus followed by what? Double bond NH2 with plus charge. It is not having lone pair for its donation. So therefore amides always appears to be very weak bases compared to aliphatic amines as well as the aromatic amines. So therefore A is greater than B, and what we can claim is aliphatic amines are more basic compared to aromatic. Compared to aromatic also, these amides are appears to be least basic, because here another one resonance structure whichever is possible, in that oxygen is holding unit negative charge, becomes most stable at equilibrium, it is major in composition, at equilibrium it is minor at composition. So therefore electron density is not there over the nitrogen, hence the donationability decreases, that is known as what? Basic nature decreases. Whereas in case number 1 here, the lone pair present on the nitrogen of the 6-membered ring system is present on the nitrogen as it is not involved in resonance. Whereas in second case, this lone pair is involved in resonance to get the aromatic character. Resonance involved in lone pair is involved in delocalization to get the aromatic character, hence it is not available. That's what, as far availability is concerned, A is more basic compared to B. Let us go for the second structure. Both are having lone pairs, both are having same hybridizations, but here it is carbon. In this case, here it is oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, it withdraws the electron density. So therefore, relative availability of lone pair of electron density on the second nitrogen, B nitrogen, is little. Hence, A is acting as more basic compared to B. In case number 3, here this nitrogen is having lone pair, this nitrogen is also having lone pair, but it is of sp2 hybridization, this is of sp3 hybridization, hence B is more basic compared to A. In case of amines as well as hydroxyl amines, RNH2 and NH2OH, oxygen is more electronegative, hence this sigma bond electron density is shifted in favor of oxygen. As a result, electron density available on the nitrogen decreases. But here carbon is less electronegative, hence it shifts the electron density towards the nitrogen, hence the deposition of electron density on the first case, in case of amines, is higher. In case of this hydroxyl amines, the deposition is less, here dispersion is present. So here it is having more electron density, here it is having less electron density, hence A is found to be more basic compared to B. Yes, in guanidine and the prop2 imine, here similar structure appears to be present. But when this involves in resonance, as a result here nitrogen is holding another one lone pair of electrons, hence it is associated with highest electron density. Such a situation is not present in prop 2 imine, hence guanidine is highest basic compared to the prop 2 imine. In organic molecules of nitrogen containing species, the highest basicity is present for the guanidine molecule. Yes, in this case also the nitrogen presence on the lone pair present on the nitrogen is the deciding factor for the basicity of the component. Whereas in first case, that is a bridged nitrogen atom, there is no inversion, lone pair is present as it is, so therefore it is available for the donation. Whereas in second case, that is trimethylamine, trialkylamine, Walden inversion is possible. Due to its Walden inversion, it exists in two structures combination, it is always interchanging, it is always involved in work. So therefore here, if it involves in work, what happens is another one structure is present like this, always that is going to be present in equilibrium with involvement of nitrogen from lone pair of nitrogen from one location to other location. Hence availability is less, whereas availability is 100% in the first case. Hence A is found to be more basic compared to B. Similarly, in this case, this is a bridged nitrogen atom, not involved in any kind of rearrangement, cationic formations, anionic formation. It is a strained part. But whereas this nitrogen involves in rearrangement, so therefore it is not available. So therefore in this case B is found to be more basic compared to A. Yes, basicity present in the periodic table, whereas in a group, here I am taking the halogen group, this can be applied for any other varieties of the groups also. HF is there, HCl is there, HBr is there, HI is there. These are all are acids. On their dissociation, they are producing a common H plus ion followed by, in HF, F minus ion is produced, Cl minus ion in case of HCl, I minus ion in case of HI are produced. Out of these, the strong acid is this one. This is strong acid relatively and this is weak acid. Because the corresponding bases formed are F minus ion, Cl minus ion, Br minus ion, that is iodide anion. These are all, if I observe, the F minus ion is found to be more basic in nature compared to Cl minus, compared to Br minus, compared to I minus. That is basic strength is F minus is greater compared to Cl minus and is greater compared to Br minus compared to I minus. That's what happens is the basic nature of anions formed in a group decreases from top to bottom, and it depends on the things like, yes, all are having one extra lone pair of electron on them. This extra lone pair of electron can be adjusted within available many number of d orbitals. If more number of d orbitals are there, it can be adjusted at any place, it can involve in delocalization. As a result, it can't be considered as overcharge. Whereas there is no another one orbital is there to accommodate this one, it has to be accommodated only in the available orbital. It feels a lot of electron density, so therefore it becomes very unstable, it recombines and that leads to the formation of HF. So therefore here the relative basic strength of F minus is greater compared to Cl minus, Br minus and the I minus. And here once again another one factor that plays the role is the bond energy of the hydrogen and the other atom with which it is connected. Here it is having large differences of the sizes. So therefore it is having lesser bond energy, can be broken easily and is ready to exist in the form of H plus, a cation, a common species which can't decide anything. Whereas I minus is relatively stable because the extra lone pair is accommodated in many number of vacant d orbitals. Thus, the corresponding anions formed in the group of periodic tables basicity decreases from top to bottom. The same thing holds in case of other families also. Suppose if I take oxygen family, methoxy is there. Similarly here methyl sulfide anion formation taken. And in this also the relative basicity of methoxide is greater compared to methyl sulfide anion. Yes, dimethylamine and the dimethyl ether and the propane. Here my interest is regarding this atom. I am estimating the basic nature. To become base, it should associate with a lone pair of electrons for its donation. Such kind of nature is not present for any of these. Not present for the carbon, hence carbon is less basic, C is having less basic nature compared to A and B. Here it is having one lone pair, two lone pairs, that is not the issue. And it is more electronegative, but it is less electronegative implies easily it can donate. So therefore A and B in relative competition, A is more basic compared to B, then chance come for the C. Suppose I am having methyl anion, NH2 minus, OH minus and the F minus. What is methyl anion? That is carbon connected with 3 hydrogens followed by 1 lone pair. That is said to be formal charge is -1. Nitrogen connected in such a way that it is having 2 hydrogens followed by 1 lone pair, whereas extra 1 lone pair is also present. As a result, it is having 1 unit negative charge. Similarly, here oxygen basically having 2 lone pairs, now it is having extra 1 lone pair. Similarly, fluorine is having 3 lone pairs, now it is having 4 lone pairs here, thus it is having 1 unit of negative charge. Now, if I look at the basic nature, basic strength, the electronegativity is order if I adjust. Carbon is less electronegative compared to nitrogen, compared to oxygen, compared to fluorine. So, therefore, as being it is less electronegative, it can't hold the electron density. All are having the same situation. No one of them is having vacant d orbitals to accommodate at more positions for the available number of lone pairs. Situation remains same. So therefore here carbon as being less electronegative, it want to donate, give it up to anybody, any cation, any proton. So therefore more basic nature is present for the compound A, compound B followed by C, as well as the F minus is having least basic nature. Thus the conclusion that we can give is basicity of anions decreases from left to right in case of periodic table. Suppose here basicity methyl CH3 minus is having higher basic order compared to NH2 minus, compared to OH minus, compared to F minus, etc. In this case, this benzene ring is having 3 methyls followed by the NN dimethylamine is there, and the second case NN dimethyl benzene system is there. Due to these 3 methyls followed by the bulkiness present on the nitrogen of the 2 methyls, this particular system will goes away from the plane. As a result, what happens is the lone pair of electron density present on the nitrogen is not involved in resonance. As a result, it is present on the nitrogen itself. But whereas it is actively involved in resonance with the pi bond electron density present on the benzene ring system, it is not available for its 100% of time on the nitrogen. Availability less implies its basic nature will becomes less. Hence here A is found to be more basic compared to B. This effect is said to be SIR effect, steric inhibition resonance effect. Due to its bulk size, due to its bigger size, this highly substituted nitrogen present on the substituted benzene to be present on the plane becomes very difficult, and it goes away from the plane. As a result, it is not involved as a part of resonance. The lone pair of electron densities just to hold on the nitrogen itself. As a result, here what happens is its basic nature is found to be more compared to the second case. Due to steric crowding, NN dimethyl nitrogen substitution present on the substituted phenol system goes away from the benzene plane. As a result, it is not involved in resonance. Thus, the electron density is residing on the nitrogen for its maximum time. Hence, it is acting as more basic compared to the second example, that is NN dimethyl benzene system, and is known as SIR effect. Yes, in case of para-methoxyaniline as well as the ortho-methoxyaniline, here the methoxy group is, as per the inductive effect is concerned, it is connected with the ring system with the oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, hence it will withdraws the electron density from the benzene system. It also here withdraws the electron density from the benzene system. As a result, nitrogen feels the same. Whereas as per the minus inductive effect is concerned, it is very close and it is far away. And moreover, here another one special feature that dominates is the position. With respect to the NH2 group present on the benzene system, methoxy group is present at para position far away, Artho position nearer to the adjacent position to that of the next group. When any group is present very nearer to that of NH2 due to its bigger size, the total crowd of the system increases as a result here, because it is present in the planar part. In the planar part, almost all the total available space is going to be covered by the ring followed by the substitution present at the ortho. So therefore, to this lone pair present on the nitrogen, no atom will dare to come. Due to this reason, what happens is its basic nature decreases, and this effect is said to be what? Ortho effect. Due to this ortho effect reason, it is found to be less basic compared to the other substances, that is the same group substituted at the meta and para positions. Irrespective of nature of the group, ortho substituted nitrophenols or anilines are having lesser basic in nature, that is ortho anilines are weak basic than the others. Others implies the same substitution at meta or the para positions. Though the substitution may be either having positive inductive effect nature or they may having negative inductive effect nature. This particular effect is said to be ortho effect. This effect is known as which effect? Ortho effect is the name of the effect. The same effect, that is ortho effect, is valid in case of carboxylic acids also. When carboxylic acids are behaving as weak acids, what they will do is they participate in elimination of proton. As a result, the size of the structure decreases. Size of the structure decreases leads to the formation of less substituted structure, otherwise less atoms containing structure, which is found to be more stable though it is having charge. In case of ortho substitution acids, yes, this is a planar part. On the planar part, acid group is there, and at the same time the substitution is also there. The all things along with the carbons of the benzene system, hydrogens of the benzene system, and the substitutions and connectivities associated with the most of the substitutions are present in the same plane, hence this size offers a lot of strain. If some part of this one is dissociated, how it is going to be dissociated? If it is acting as acid, then it will be converted as carboxylate, COO minus, followed by whatever the substitution is present over there. Now this bond was broken and it is appearing in the form of H plus. Compare it to this size, now the size is little, it feels so relief. Hence ortho substituted carboxylic acids are more relatively acidic compared to the repetition of the same substitution at the other positions like meta and the para. So therefore in this case A is found to be more acidic compared to B and C, and in this group is positive inductive effect group irrespective of its nature, that has to be counted, whereas here this is positive inductive effect group and it is present far away here and it is present nearer to here. So therefore A followed by C followed by B is the acidity order of the carboxylic acids. In the second case, carboxylic acid is connected with the NO2. NO2 is minus inductive effect group and it is having minus resonance effect also. So that we will discuss later. Irrespective of all the things, A is found to be more acidic. And now here this is minus inductive effect group that will stabilize the anion, carboxylate anion, which is basically decided in the last class. So therefore compare it to this particular nitro system present at the ortho positions, nitro system present at the meta positions and the para positions. A is found to be, ortho nitrophenol is found to be more acidic. Then after the chance will come for the C, because it is like this and B here, whereas this is positive inductive effect group, as being it is positive inductive effect, it destabilizes. The destabilization is more when it is present at the meta position. So therefore here the order is A is greater than, B is greater than C. C is having lesser acidic nature, but here in the last case B is having lesser acidic nature. Thus we can come for the conclusion that is, irrespective of nature of the group, ortho acids are more acidic in nature and the ortho bases are, ortho amines are less basic in nature. The last important feature related to the basic nature of amines is the effect of phase on basicity of amines. Yes, these amines, the lower amines can be easily converted to the gaseous state. Hence they can be present in the solution state or in the gaseous state. As a result of change in phase, the basicity of the substituted amines will changes. Suppose if I go for the gaseous state of methylamine, amine, ammonia, methylamine, dimethylamine and the trimethylamine. Similarly, amine, that is ammonia, ethylamine, diethylamine and the triethylamine. Whereas in gaseous state, the nitrogen and the carbon bond are easily rotatable and they can change in the three-dimensional space. As a result, the nucleophile, otherwise the proton, will come nearer to the nitrogen. Steric crowding does not affect because the groups are actively involved in displacement from one position to other position. In that case, what happens is tertiary amine is more basic compared to secondary amine compared to primary amine, whereas ammonia is the least basic. If these amines are dissolved in the water, suppose if I take all methylamines, that is ammonia, methylamine, dimethylamine, trimethylamine, are present in liquid aqueous solution. As a result of that one, the free rotation is restricted to certain extent. As a result, it can felt the steric endurance. Due to that steric endurance, tertiary is not having the highest basicity. In case of methyl systems in aqueous solution, secondary amine is found to be more basic compared to primary, whereas tertiary is having least basic in nature, then the last one is ammonia. Whereas if it is ethyl, then secondary is having highest, then the next chance will come for the tertiary, because in case of triethyl system, what happens is the inductive effect nature of the triethyl is very high. As a result, here the basic nature increases compared to its size. Its inductive nature dominates over here, so therefore secondary followed by tertiary followed by primary, and the last one is ammonia, that is least basic. In this way, the phase related substitution, phase related disorders present in the basic nature of amines of the organic molecules.